Hello everyone, you're welcome back. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching. Today's recipe, I'll be showing you how to make simple fish sauce. I'll be using 3 bell peppers, green, red and orange. I've got 2 medium size of onions. I've got rosemary and I've got oregano seasoning. And 2 Scotch bonnets. I'll be using fresh tomatoes. Please feel free to use plum. I'll be using olive oil, but please feel free to use any oil of your choice. Salt to taste and some cube seasoning. And to season the fish, I've got some paprika, black pepper, white pepper and curry powder. And finally, I'll be showing you the fish. I use egg fish, but please feel free to use any fish of your choice. This is what I use to take the scale from the fish. It's so easy to use and it makes life so much easier and faster. I actually got it from Amazon. Please, if you're new to my YouTube channel or if you've been watching my videos and you're not yet subscribed, don't forget to support me please by subscribing. Thank you. With the fish, I'm just going to rinse the fish and ensure it's well clean. Next, I'll take the fish out from the water and then I'll be seasoning the fish. Please feel free to use any seasoning of your choice, but in this video I used white pepper, black pepper, paprika, garlic, ginger, salt and some cube. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting me. Thanks for watching my videos and thanks for all the comments. This is a very simple recipe of fish sauce and it tastes so yummy. I use fresh garlic and ginger, but please feel free to use the powdered garlic or ginger. When I'm done with the fish, the next thing I'll be doing is I will marinate the fish for at least an hour, but this will depend on how quick you want to use your fish. Well, I normally marinate my fish for at least an hour or even more. After about an hour to an hour plus, the fish is ready. Next, I will grill the fish. But please note that you can also fry your fish if you prefer your fish being fried. I'm just going to grill the fish for roughly about 10 minutes. I don't want it too dry, just a bit, because I want to steam the fish while it's cooking. While the fish is in the oven, I will chop the fresh tomatoes, the onions and the bell pepper.